Hello students, I would like us to do a worksheet, and the worksheet looks like this. What's that sound? What's that sound? Loud or soft? What do we use when we hear sounds? Yes, we use our ears. We use our ears to hear. Our ears and hearing is one of the 5 sense organs. Do you still remember the 5 sense organs? Eyes for seeing, nose for smelling, ears for hearing, mouth for tasting, and our hands for touching, feeling skin. So in this worksheet, it's all about what is loud and what is soft. For example, the drum, it's loud. In the mornings, when we wake up, we use an alarm clock. It makes a big sound. It's loud. And when a baby cries, "Wah!" it's loud. It makes a loud sound. But when we whisper to our friend, then it's a soft sound. When we hear a cat, it's soft. And a baby bird, there's a difference in sounds, loud and soft. So Teacher Dory would like you to go get your worksheet. We are going to use a scissor and glue. I'm going to wait for you. Thank you and welcome back, students. So this is your worksheet. I want you to take your scissor. Be careful. Ask your grandfather or grandmother or mommy to be close or help you. Then you take your scissor. You're going to take a smaller scissor. Teacher Dory is big, so I use a big scissor. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to cut the rest because I want them in small little squares, all separate. So Teacher Dory is cutting these. And as you can see, there's different pictures. Alarm clock, a baby crying, wah, wah, a cat, prrr, a baby bird, a small bell, ding-a-ding-a-ding, a whistle, a bang, a gun, a bang, and whisper. I whisper to my friend. So now you cut all these separate, like this. Separate. Very good. Good job, students. Remember to ask your mom or dad, grandmother or grandfather, older sister to help you with the scissor if you cannot cut. Now Teacher Dory will show you. You could take your glue. Now you take one picture. Let's take the gun, the bang. A gun makes a loud or soft sound. Loud, yes, very good. Very, very good. Now you take your glue and you take loud and you stick it on the loud side. Good job, everybody. And the baby cat? Brr, brr. Loud or soft? Yes, soft. It's a soft sound. It's not a loud sound. It's a soft sound. Then we stick cat. If I'm going to whisper to my friend, is that loud or soft? Yes, it's a soft sound. Then you take whisper and you take your glue and you put it underneath soft. Now, a baby bird. What do you think a baby bird is going to sound like? Loud or soft? Soft, yes. Baby bird is also soft. Glue and stick. Good job. Very, very good. Now let's take a whistle. A whistle. When we play sports, do you think a whistle is soft or loud? Definitely loud. So the whistle is going to come and go right here underneath, bang, loud. Wah, wah. The baby is crying. Loud or soft? Definitely loud. So then we take the baby crying and we put it underneath, loud. Good job. Alarm. Wake up, wake up. Definitely loud. So there we go. Alarm clock is underneath, loud. And our last one is a small little bell. Ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling. Loud or soft? Soft. Soft. Good job. Soft. And then you all finish. Very good, students. Thank you.